Hey friends, this is Amit Kumar and you're watching Prince Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to create a donut chart in Tableau. As you can see on my screen, this is how the donut chart will look like. In Tableau, the donut chart is not available in build. So we have to pursue some customizations to create a donut chart. So let us see how we can create a donut chart like this. Alright. So let us start over. I have to take one dimension and one measure first to create a pie chart. So simply whenever you start creating a donut chart, you have to choose the mark as a pie. Now I will choose say one dimension, say salesperson. Okay, I'll just add this dimension to color. Now how many orders these salespersons have placed, I have to add to the measure. So I will just add this to size. So order ID should be count distinct, and again a label, it should also be a count distinct. Okay, now this is a simple pie chart which have been created. From this I will try to create a do not chart. Now I have to choose one more measure over here, and here I have to add it to the row mark. Okay, this row section. So I'll just take say quantity. Okay, I will simply drag this and place over here, and this quantity I do have to choose the aggregation as minimum. Okay, and then I have to choose the same measure once again to the row mark. Again I have to choose the measure as minimum. Okay, so I have got two different panels where I have got the same chart, and I've got two different mark properties over here. Okay, so before to go and do any changes over there in the mark property, I have to just make these two measures a dual axis. What will happen if I make it dual axis? The two measures will be merged, and the two your headers will be either side of the chart. So I have got two headers, this is one and this is one. Now I can just hide this show header property and then show header property from these two different measures. Now I have got two different mark property. So from the second mark property, which is minimum quantity, I will just remove this text property, label property. I'll remove this your size property, and I'll remove the color property. So what happened, it has become a gray color, but behind the scenes in the second mark I do have all these colors and color distributions like a pie. So what I have to do, I'll go to this size in this quantity and make it a little bit minimized, and then the color I can give it to white color. Here the size can be a little bit increased. You can see it is taking a shape of a pie, a do not chart. Okay, now this size I can increase, and it's become a do not chart. Here we go. This is how the do not chart in Tableau looks like. Now if I will just add this do not chart to a dashboard, so this will how it will look like. So this is a dashboard. I'll just add this do not chart to this side and make it entire view. So this is how the do not chart in Tableau looks like. So the more customization, the more uh, effort you will give on this for betterment, for beautification, it will be more effective for analysis. So this is what how the do not chart is created in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.